Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Time check. 7:41. So today is Tuesday 18, my last day of holiday. So, and the weather for today is about -1. Hmm? Ay, 1 lang pala, sorry. Kain tayo everyone. Dito ako sa kumuha ko ng hot water. Kain tayo everyone. Kain tayo. Isoso natin ang croissant sa mainit na kape. Pero lumamig na siya. And this one, Ladies George. Ang init naman dito. Good morning! Today is Martes daw. Martes! Okay, that's good. And time check, 8:59 na. Maaga pa rin. Dahil kung pumasok ako, mamaya pa ako darating. So, ayan lang everyone. Wakey-wakey na si mother. Magbukas tayo ng blind para masikatan ng liwanag sa umaga. So, ayan lang everyone. Ang kaganapan sa labas. Malamig ngayon. The temperature is 1 degrees. Ayan, malamig dun sa labas. Kailangan magpajama ka. Yan lang everyone. Bye at the moment. And good morning everyone. Maubanin ka kung alam mo ang salita.
Tagus.
Ayan na. Sige na.
Tagus.
Ano?
Tagus.
Okay. Ayan, everyone, ang daily routine ng nanay ko. So, alam nyo ba yon? Comment down below, everyone. Good morning, God bless, and I love you all. Time check. 10. Oh, brunch na si nanay, pero no. It's breakfast time. While watching Tanggol. Hindi ko pa alam mag-operate dun sa malaking TV, kaya pagtiisan niya ang manood sa iPad everyone. Okay ba sa'yo? Oh, okay daw kasi malaki naman. Naan? Kapa? Unan daw sa likod. Dagdag unan. Tanggol, ang paborito na inang. Ayan, eto pa, isa pa. Good morning everyone. This is thermometer. Yeah, pinatatapo na ni nanay ko. Kasi daw, hindi naman daw gumagana. So, sabi ko, bakit hindi gumagana? Hindi niya daw alam. Pinindot ko to. Ayan, oh. Meron naman. Lobat nga lang. So, ayan. Kaya hindi gumagana kasi kailangan ng palitan ng battery. So, better buy the new one. And unless palitan ng battery. So that's it everyone, and yan o, lobat. Bahala si Emma dito. Because this is not mine, everyone.
Tungkol sa presko ni Atty.
BP time!
Huwag mo nang intindihin yun.
Everyone while watching Sins of the Father.
Takal niyo na po ba itong ginagawa? Wala namang masama ron. Dahil dyan, umunlad ang pamilya ko. Ikaw,
Sins of the Father,
may
everyone.
coffee shop ka pa.
Yun.
Huwag ka na magreklamo.
Tignan natin ang result ng pangalawa. Kanina sa
Para
taas
sa pamilya
ay sa
ko.
first try. 145 o 143 talaga, Noy.
Kaya mo bang gawin lahat para sa pamilya mo?
Mataas ka. Tingnan natin sa last. Yan ang bawang, sibuyas, and then this one, chicken, breast, and bacon. Tapos, ayan ang gulay ko. Niluluto ko to nung nag-aaral pa ako sa college. Pero instead na this one is baboy. Kasi, syempre, alam niyo na, bata pa. And then, beans, matigas. Yan, food of the day, everyone. Kain tayo for lunch. Ninanay. Good afternoon, everyone. Time check, 3:38. And at the moment, temperature is 7 degrees. But windy. So, yeah, look at the sky. It's a bit dark, and since it's windy, that's why it's cold. But this morning, it's 1 degrees. So, it's totally cold. Very cold, not... yeah, and thank God that I'm still on a holiday this morning. So, now lang ako nakalabas, everyone. See you when I see you. After 2 trains and 5 minutes walk, everyone. Bye. Time check, 15:24, 3:24, everyone. So, I am now here at the Wollaston Green. My train is here, but pull. Oh, Jesus. Need to... ayun. May bakal. Okay, thank you.
This train terminates
5-second train, everyone. See you after this. Way out, everyone. Time check, 16:14. Same as yesterday. Madilim na ang paligid. Nakakaloka. Ayan. Madilim ang paligid na, everyone, sa inyo. Madilim. Kasi parang gabing-gabi na. Pero madilim kasi yung langit. Oh, you see, everyone? See you later. After the trap. Ito, tapon. Ay. Ayan. Ito tayo. Edit na lang natin yun. Mag-tap tayo. Thank you. Parang napagod ako. Konti lang. So, that's it. I'm out of the train station. Pag ganito ang itsura, hindi ako makahinga. So, ayan, Pasko na sila. Ang hotel, Cardinal. The Cardinal Hotel. Christmas is nearly approaching, everyone. So that's it, and see you later. Heater. Everyone. Time check. Going home after 4 hours or 5 hours, I think. Yeah. See you later, everyone. At the home sweet home. At my home sweet home. Mag-tap tayo ng oyster. So, this is it, pansit. Flat 3. Ay, nako, wala na. Paalis na. So, mag-flat 2 na lang tayo. So, ayan yun. Wala na. Flat 2 na lang. 3 minutes. Okay, see you when I see you, everyone. Ay, meron pa pala. Ayun kasi. O, see? Kung nagtatakbo pala ako, abot ko yun. Pero, I'm here already inside the train. So, in 3 minutes, aalis na rin siya. So, even walang ro. Ayan o. Mag-alis na. Double-double na ako ngayon. Dahil, this is my place, everyone. Ayan yung mayroon. Ayan. Signboard. Last signboard yun ng Aldgate. So, dito ako nauupo. Pagbaba ko at mag-transfer yung Jubilee line ay doon ako sa last part din. Kasi second bagon everyone. That's it. See you later, everyone. Good night. Good evening, everyone. Kain tayo while watching YouTube. Everyone. Grabe, ang dami. Ang dami, grabe. Move goal 400%. Wow. As the day winds down, take a moment and 5 degrees. Nandito na ako sa loob ng bahay, diba? So, okay, everyone. See you when I see you. Good night, God bless, and I love you all. May pasok ako bukas maaga. Gising tayo ng 3:30, everyone.